Okay, go.
Finally, we're here at the hotel. It took so long.
Yeah, first we rode a van, then we rode a plane, then we rode a van again, then we rode a boat, then we rode a van. So now we're here at our
How's the feeling at the airplane?
It was amazing.
and it's their turbulence.
Yeah, it's
I
turbulent,
got
right?
traumatized when it shrieked.
Yeah. We're gonna show you our VIPs.
Oh, what room number are you? Okay, 372. Okay, come on. Show it to us. Medyo your stopper are in there na, no? So medyo magulo na, no?
Wait,
Okay. So this is your.
This is where we place our shoes.
And this is where.
This is the shoe thing.
Yeah. And this is the bathroom. I'll show you guys.
Turn on the lights.
Bathroom. Okay.
Everything.
So, Zephyr. We
We
have two of these things because we're
Lavatories.
Yeah. And we have over here a shower, and we also have a bathtub and some cabinets.
I guess you can sleep here. This is the size of our room in Japan. This bathroom is the size of our room already, I think.
And then here's the toilet that has this thing. But if you guys want to take a shower, you can just put the curtains, the blinds down. So no
How
one
do you
can
do
see
that? Can you do it? Just halfway? Alright, okay, that's okay.
I need to do
I'll
something
show.
here.
Okay. Now let's
Okay.
go outside. Come on.
That's. This is
Very
our
export
And
much.
they
So
did
this is the
They did excellent on the heart.
this is the master bed.
And then it's
Heart.
like
Some cabinets over here.
amazing glasses.
So over here we have.
That's the mini bar.
It's our mini.
Oy, basag. You report that. You have to report it. Oh, there's the picture. Kasi ayaw na nila ng bottle sa Boracay.
Okay, and here are.
For my favorite. Coffee.
And we
like
also
the
have
desk.
one of these in case we want for the little one.
And this is like the desk. Like you do stuff here. Read this here. And this is. They give you a pencil to like write.
Oh.
So this
Okay.
is the
Not
TV,
much.
the
But
bed,
it's
and this is like a
amazing.
little place where you can eat.
And
This is where I'll be sleeping because I don't want to sleep on the bed because they're gonna.
And I just love these couches.
Zephy, are you going to sleep there
I don't
too?
No.
Why
This is
not?
our second TV.
Some of your bugs.
Yeah.
And there's a second
And
TV.
Oh, there's another TV. So there are two TV. Television here and television for that.
Like the one in Bangkok.
Okay, and then come here to.
Okay, so what's in there? Or what's out there?
Balcony. And we
Okay,
have
so
these two seats, and over there is the rack, so we can dry. And this is the wonderful view. And we have access to the beach. You're just gonna have to go down there until there. Yeah. So
Okay.
I like Hennan Garden. I would rate it 10 out of 10. This is the best, by far, the best suite or room I've ever got.
How about you, boy? You haven't said anything yet. You're hungry and thirsty. Oh, what am I going to do here now? Oh, jeez. Oh, she's bad.
So, in our next video, we're gonna do a tour around the garden. And then you're gonna see one of us splash inside the pool. Bye, guys!
Bye.
Oh.